Hello, my name is Victor Bautista, and today I will show you guys how to cook Lomo Saltado, an authentic Peruvian dish. Some of the ingredients we need today would be right here, which I have. That is cilantro, onions, green onions, tomatoes, French fries, yes, French fries, and beef. Okay, for starters, first we'll set the pan. As you can see, I set the pan. And it's heating up. It needs to be really hot. That's part of the secret of making good lomo. And over here, well, you can't see me over there. Over there, I have a fryer, and there's my French fries. They're frying. So you first set the French fries to fry. You heat up your skillet, pan, whichever you want to use, and you set the oil. I preheated mine, so it's fairly hot. And as you can see, there's smoke coming out of the oil. You can see that pretty well. That means that it's ready for me to put the meat in. And let me put the meat in. You want to let it cook on one side so it'll have a color contrast. One side will be darker, the other side will be lighter. Not burnt, just dark. The lomo saltado is served with steamed rice. Now, unlike Asian style steamed rice, this one has little salt, little oil, and some cut corn. Now, I would probably not commentate too much. As soon as I finish this, I will show you. I will just keep the camera rolling. Wait. You give it a good stir. Want to get that flame. Flame will give you flavor. This is right there. Let that cook. Add your rice. You have your rice. Dump out the oil. Add in the spices, the vegetables, sausage, a little bit of soy sauce, and a pinch of vinegar. Saute, turn off the flame, bit of water, add the French fries. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Lomo Saltado served. And that took me 4 minutes. Get a good look, and it tastes delicious. There we go, right there. Hot and steamy, juicy. The water. And that, my dear friends, is how Victor Bautista makes Lomo Saltado. Thank you.